This is HOVERAir X1 Pro, and today I'll show how you can switch between photo and video shooting modes while flying this drone manually. So to start, you will need to take your phone and launch the HOVERAir X1 mobile app. Now here, go into the Hover section and at the bottom tap on the Smart Preview button to open the manual flying interface. Now here to the right you have this little icon, which depending on what shooting mode is currently selected will show you either camera, regular photo camera or video camera icon. So by tapping on it and selecting whatever mode you would like to use, you're pretty much ultimately changing the shooting mode between video and photo. And as far as this video goes, that'll be it. So thanks for watching and bye bye.